Getting in a fresh breaking development from Kanpur. Now another incident of assault by the police personnel on an Air Force soldier has come to fore. Nitish Sachan, posted, who is still serving in the Air Force, had come to attend a wedding in Kanpur. And now it's also being alleged that while returning home on foot from a guest house on Masan Nagar Road at around 11:30 p.m., a patrol EAM from the Ghatampur police station interrogated and also verbally abused the Air Force soldier. The victim protested and made a video. The police officer snatched his mobile phone and forcibly took him to the police station. In fact, listen into what the police has to say about their misconduct.
सोशल मीडिया पे एक पोस्ट वायरल हुई है जिसमें घाटमपुर थाना क्षेत्र के रहने वाले नीतीश सचान, जो फौज में नौकरी करते हैं, उनके साथ एक मारपीट की घटना थाना घाटमपुर पुलिस द्वारा की गई है। ये प्रकरण 19/20 की रात्रि का है। जब घाटमपुर पुलिस गश्त में थी तो एक व्यक्ति जाता हुआ दिखाई दिया और उससे उसका आइडेंटिटी कार्ड आदि मांगा गया तो नहीं दिखा पाया था। पुलिस जनों का आरोप है कि उस व्यक्ति ने इनके साथ बदसलूकी की और उसी क्रम में इस व्यक्ति नीतीश सचान को थाने पे ला करके उसकी शांति भंग की आशंका में उसका चालान किया गया था। उनके परिजनों का आरोप है कि पुलिस के द्वारा इस व्यक्ति के साथ मारपीट की गई और उनके परिजनों ने एक प्रार्थना पत्र भी दिया है। इस संपूर्ण प्रार्थना पत्र और घटनाक्रम की जांच एडीसीपी साउथ को दी गई है और जांच परिणाम के बाद इसमें आवश्यक कार्रवाई की जाएगी।
Look at these visuals. One comes from Bulandshahr and the other one from Kanpur. A pertinent question that one can ask is how safe are soldiers inside their own homes? This is not a skirmish happening on the front line. This is no frontline friction. It's what's happening to soldiers inside their own homes. And this assault, dastardly one, is being afflicted on them by their own people. A civilian crowd gathers around a father and son duo and beats them, thrashes them and even kicks them. Look at the punches. These are visuals, two different places, one state, same story. Kanpur, Bulandshahr, Uttar Pradesh. In fact, the police has also taken cognizance of the video that is onto your left. We just heard the police also. In fact, in the first incident, which is from Kanpur, it was the police personnel who did not just sideline the Air Force soldier, but also bet him and thrashed him before taking him to the police station. In fact, we're being joined by Nitish Sachan, who is joining us from Kanpur. Thank you very much for speaking with Republic. I want to understand, what are the things that unfolded? How did this happen? And even after telling that you are from the forces, did anything change from the side of the police? जी, मैं जानना चाहती हूँ कि ये इंसिडेंट हुआ कैसे, कैसी चीज़ें थी जो आपके साथ हुई, क्या क्या किया गया, और जब आपने बताया कि आप वायुसेना के अधिकारी हैं, उसके बाद भी क्या पुलिस का बर्ताव आपकी तरफ बिल्कुल भी बदला? Viewers, we're getting Nitish Sachan back on the broadcast with us in just a minute. But just to give you a roundup of what's happened in two different places in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur and Bulandshahr, Indian Air Force personnel were narrowed down on at public spaces and then beaten. In fact, we're rejoined by Nitish Sachan, who is an Air Force personnel, and his ordeal unfolded in Kanpur. Nitish ji, Republic से बात करने के लिए आपका धन्यवाद। आप मुझे ये बताइए कि ऐसी क्या घटनाएं हुई जिसके बाद ये सारा वायलेंस शुरू हुआ, और जब आपने पुलिस को बताया कि आप फोर्सेस से हैं, आप वायुसेना से हैं, क्या उनका बर्ताव आपकी तरफ बिल्कुल भी बदला? Viewers, there's some problem connecting with Nitish Sachan, but let me remind you, he's the same person, the Air Force personnel, who was not just taken aside by the police while he was simply returning back home in Kanpur from a wedding. He's right now on leave. Kanpur is his home. He is still serving the Indian Air Force. And what happens when he's back home? He's not just taken on the sides by the police in the middle of the night, but also interrogated. They use abuses and slurs against him. And after that, he's dragged to the police station. And what is his fault? Nobody knows. In fact, the police has taken cognizance of what has happened, but this is not the first time that this is happening.